Today we'll be learning how to change a drawing from one system of units to another system. From architectural to metric or vice versa, or to other scientific and others. For that, first of all, let's check the dimension of a specific place. Here we see, let's check this one, zoom it. Here we see 33 feet 7 inches the length of this place, or the length of this line we have here. Now we are going to change this from architectural to metric system. First of all, go out with escape, UN, to enter units. Here from architectural we select decimal. From decimal, here we give 1 point of precision. And this units to scale and sheet content, we give here centimeters. Okay, now we go and check that. Here 403.4, if you calculate it, it's just converted to inches. 403.4, it's equal to 33 feet 7 inches almost. Now what we do, one more thing, we have to scale our drawing to fit that. Scale command is in home modify panel. Here we activated scale command, and now it's asking select object. To select the entire object, type ALL, enter once, twice. Correct? Now specify base point. We said 0, 0, 0x, tab 0y, enter. Now specify scale factor. Our scale factor, we know 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. We write 2.54, enter. Now our drawing is changed. Our drawing units, or our drawing scale units are changed. Come to utilities, measure, see 1024.5. if we multiply those inches in the factor 2.54, it will give you 1024.5. Okay, how can we return back from that system to the inches system? We go to again scale, it's just vice versa. Go to scale, so type ALL, all, enter, enter, base point 0, tab 0, enter. Now we have to calculate 1 divided by 2.54. We can calculate that inside AutoCAD using apostrophe or quote, single quote, CAL for calculator, enter. Now expression, what is your expression? 1 divided by 2.54, enter. Let's measure it again. utility measure 403.4, same as it was before. Inches, UN units, from decimal to architectural, from centimeter. It's not important, but they will show you. Okay, now utilities measure, and you see 33 feet 7.5 inches. That was all from today.